here we go. How about these pair? McLaren over the left lane. Lambo in the right lane, I think. Festive sport. We light the Christmas tree before every race.
That's right lane on 734 to 724.
Right lane, 749. Love the sound of that Ferrari's exhaust. You can't beat the sound of a Ferrari. RPM's coming up. McLaren pulls away. Shuts him down. 722, 749. Well, the Ferrari's consistent. The first three. You got a fully staged McLaren driver. Whoa! You're not staged, guy. Audi, you got a deep stage. That's fine. Oh, we roll through the beams. The Audi's good.
731, under 3 miles an hour.
Oh, the Lambo. Oh, think about that. One from McLaren. I didn't see.
Rambo, 736. Look at that, identical ETs. 101 miles an hour for the McLaren.
116 miles an hour to a 799.
Chassis with the Holden Monaro.
Chevy SS, the Pontiac Leader, inline 6-cylinder engine, putting out a whole 150 horsepower. Sound of a beautiful machine, a Ferrari, here in the right lane. Gonna take on the Z in the left lane. The Z's run a best of 878. Don't think the Ferrari's gonna have to worry about not being able to beat that one. Lights drop it, and it's a whole shot for the Z. Gotcha. 760 to an 875. It's a 781. Ferrari back again, taking on the Shelby Mustang. RPM start to come up. Ferrari's sounding. Leaves the line.
Ferrari goes 749, 98 miles an hour.
280 ZX. These cars were used the same engine with modifications after the fact. Challenger decked out to look like a bashed and beaten checker cab. Alright, red lines lead.
Today,
3 tenths of a second, separates them.
And there, we're side by next. GTR gets the win, 751 to 754. Margin of victory, 24 thousandths of a second.
Camaro moves up. Deep stage for the Toyota. That's a legal stage. Camaro moves up, full stage. Lights drop. 363. Camaro pulls out the victory. Drive by 792 to 8 pounds. But it is the stage. Now the coupe's got to. It was there when you left the line. Can't be too far away.
Lights drop.
Motor. Ford leaves the line with 490. 86 for the Chargers. The lower the number, the better the reaction time. The Chargers got the horse pressure. It takes the win, Mike, with an 825. 1964. Mustang takes away. Chasing, but he's late on the lights. The Mustang getting the win. There to go. V6 against V8. Out and goes away. Infinity kind of slowing down like something's not quite right. 736 in production.
Definitely had the power to pass. It was 760.